Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I know we haven't been posting a lot. I've been struggling with time and responsibility. But in today's video, we're going to be playing more Dactyl Assault VR. And I will start doing intros like this because I kind of want to get used to this. So, I'll see you all in the future. Well, in a few seconds for y'all, but still.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Frag. Reloading. Watch to the left. Enemy targets confirmed. Where's all my... Don't get in front of me while I'm shooting! Firing a heavy machine gun, and brother says I'm gonna get in front of my teammate. He's down.
Drop the gun!
This is actual bloody fucking Vietnam.
Drop the gun!
My friend, we're just sitting there talking, and then the enemy just started shooting at me, bruh.
This is actual Vietnam, dog. I can't wait to go home and see my mom.
Mom, you ain't going home, little bro.
They're pushing.
Here in the trenches forever.
It's their home, isn't it? It was in my job description. Shoot Nazis. Dies. Oh god. There's a guy by the tree to the right. Oh my god, bro, this is actual just fucking Vietnam.
So watch the left side, guys, in the middle trench.
Who fucking, yeah, like, I keep saying the F word, I need to stop. This is actual Vietnam. I'm scared.
This is like the Ukrainian front, bro.
This is gonna be Iran and America in a few
right
years.
side.
This is gonna be Iran and America in a few years.
Yeah, it's gonna happen pretty soon, I see. Watch right.
I said da and got gunned down.
Drop the gun!
Enemy camping spawn, enemy camping spawn. Enemy turret camping spawn.
I'm inside their spawn.
I am to warn you, I have a fully automatic machine gun.
Давай, блядь, иди с прямого вертолета, давай. Ой, шалом! Шалом!
Most of them are on the right side.
Hands up! Drop to your knees!
I'm moving. Got him.
One of you guys go nice, I'll give you guys cover.
Got another one.
Enemy, can you finish?
It's clear over here.
Down the one in the middle trench.
Oh, shalom, brother.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying to touch my friend. I want to cause speed. I want to cause speed. Yeah, my friend right there. Damn it.
Watch out, watch out.
I shot you 30 times in the face. Shot a man about 30 times in the face, and he just kind of took it. I'm kind of mad.
Middle trench.
Machine gunner inbound for support.
Reloading.
What's up, bro?
I just realized we're wearing Russian camo. We're Russians.
Oh,
Drop the gun!
this is something. I need my vodka.
Left side, down the big hill. They're coming down that side. I'm behind the enemy right now.
Hey, you. Hey, hey.
Oh shit! Yo,
Watch down there. There's two guys moving over there.
yeah, I'm from there, so either way we have to watch.
Hey, you. Hi. Hi.
I'm in the trench line.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I saved your life, you know. Oh, he just died. Oh my god.
What happened there?
I don't know. I saved somebody's
Fog of
life
war.
because they were... What is this guy doing? You see him, right? You see this.
What? Should I put him out of his misery?
He's dead. I stabbed him in the back. There's a knife in his bag, dog.
Good. That's one less loose end. Up.
One less loose end.
Let me see your hands!
Shalom.
I think. Shite.
Gang, we might lose. I'm recording this, by the way.
Jesus!
Yeah, they're just kind of camping.
That was a slaughter.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, shalom, brother.
He didn't watch out.
Сука, ты не понял, блядь, выходить нахуй нельзя.
There is a sniper right in the trench.
I think I know that.
Yeah, I noticed too.
Hey, take this.
Where's the sniper?
At the end of the trench.
The end?
Yep. I see you, son of a bitch.
That's a grenade.
Falling back, falling back, falling.
Hey, grenade, grenade, grenade.
Enemy targets by the Black Hawk. Enemy targets by the Black Hawk.
Get a hold of yourself.
Nice team kill. Oh god, I did. I'm sorry.
There's an enemy by that destroyed chopper up there.
It's a Black Hawk. You're dead.
Finally.
Sir, if you want to use a machine gun, watch this. I killed him. I still killed him.
You need some.
I still killed the guy.
Bastard sniper is still behind that, like, I don't know what it looks like a Bradley from a distance.
I believe it's anti-air.
I'm just gonna say hi. I'm not gonna shoot, I'm just gonna say hi.
I have the solution. Bastard.
I'm trying to be friendly.
Enemy target pushing.
Drop your knife.
bored
Can
as
you,
hell.
can you drop your knife? Can you drop your knife?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh shit, enemy!
Don't
Hey, no, no,
do
no,
not
no,
make
no,
a
no,
move.
no.
I will kill you.
Hey.
Oh shit.
I'm kind of dead.
I'm kind of dead.
Oh no, y'all dead.
Oh no, y'all dead. It's crazy.
Shit, Katie, I just had
Dead as hell.
palm rusher spawn, bro.
He dead as hurt. He's dead. Your teammate's dead. How's that feel?
That's good. That's
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's an unloaded gun, bro.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Fucking around with it.
Wait, we gotta do like a execution video.
That's a war
Get on your
crime.
knees
That's a
now.
war crime. That's a
Get on
war
your
crime.
knees.
That's a war crime.
You know what they
We
call
are
it?
not committing war crimes. Hold off.
It's fine, it's fine.
Hold off. That's a war crime.
It's fine. They call it the Iraqi
It's not a war
toothbrush, you know?
crime if nobody
They
snitches.
toothbrush you. Exactly.
I'm
it's not
recording
illegal.
this on my helmet cam. And I'm telling Command he's committed a war crime. Cause I'm recording this. I'm actually recording this. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Who's got the bigger gun right now?
What's the YouTube
Who's got the
name?
bigger gun?
What's
What?
the YouTube name?
Flashbang
What's the
team.
YouTube name? Flashbang Team?
Yeah. Teen. T-E-E.
Okay, got it. Team, okay.
Teen.
Yeah.
Enemy team, can you slip?
Understand is so your point.
We got a prisoner inbound.
You better listen to me and be smart about this. Get on the ground.
Wait, I'm trying to get my Ah, fuck. Yo, I'm down over here. Yo, I'm down over here. There's 1 minute left. I want y'all to slit my throat.
What the hell?
Your teammate's making this very hard.
ETA for that bird is 30 seconds. Hang in there. Drop the gun! Don't make me shoot
I
you!
just gunned a man down. There's no mercy in this game.
Drop the gun!
Find me. There's 5 seconds left. Come on. Come at me.
Back to work. Sophie, go. Hey, hey you right there. What are you doing? Pop up over here.
Good shit.
Gang, we get an unknown sniper. Viewers, I'm putting this on max volume. This is terrifying for me. Look at that. Out my way. Out my tongue. I gotta walk up like that on max volume, so I'm scared to start firing this thing. I have not fired it once yet because I've not gotten a kill. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm scared to fire this thing. My air guns are gonna be gone by the end of this video.
I think this map is a little too big for just 6 of us, Lukey.
Is the party got a limit of how many people can be inside of it?
Yo, I'm going to choke you. What are you screaming at? She's screaming at you. What did I do? Yo, you're not.
Okay, bud, fuck.
I did not see him. I saw him at the last moment when he was giving you 5 bucks.
Screw it. Perfect.
Get your hands in the air right now! Don't make me shoot you!
Yeah, I have my headset at max volume and I started off a machine gun. My ears are not intact. Oh, God, it hurts. Oh, I think they're bleeding. God.
Hands up! Drop to your knees!
Big. Yeah, I want to play it like that. Holy f- Load. Really faster. Holy. I am not going to lie. I just got shaved. You just gave me a thing. I think I don't want to peek now. Hey, I hope you guys know this ain't fair for me. This is a 3v1. I'm not going to win. Different lobby. Same
Trench.
Is it a dumb idea to walk through a trench with a heavy machine gun?
I love the idea. Just don't spray and pray. Nah, it's a
That's
great
what
idea,
that's what I'm about to go do. I'm recording the entire thing, by the way.
If you're good with it, then that's okay. Go with the MG4.
You know, I'm gonna do that too.
It's pretty fucking good.
I walked into a trench and got beamed. Taking my darn job.
There's two people far side of the tree. One's to the right street.
Man.
You wanna know two words that would not go together?
Put the gun down right now!
Because I know two words that should not be in the same sentence.
Guns down! Hands up!
Machine gun and stealth.
This is not gonna end well for you, man. Drop the gun. Listen to me.
Enemy target up ahead.
We both saw him and just dropped him.
One guy by the tree. I'm about to hard push this boy with a heavy machine gun.
Охуеть, что он там, блядь?
Way up there, puto.
Get a hold of yourself.
I'm so sorry, dude. I'm actually so sorry.
Nah, it's my fault. It's my fault. It's your fault. That's my fault. I'm sorry.
I just saw two guys in my
Why is Austin using
One guy melted our entire team. I'm gonna melt him right back. Oh, we have the same machine gun, bro. Nice.
Goddamn right.
I smoked 3 people.
Excellent, great. We all have the same no, he's
if you would excuse me.
sorry, sir.
Here he is. Tree safe to push.
Ooh, if I would have shot, ooh, he would have been dead. Good game, bro. Good game. Holy crap.
Say Matt.